Hello everyone, welcome to my channel R Guru Hub. Today I am going to explain you how to do entry of depreciation of grade 11 and 12. Come on children, let me start. Now first let me explain you what is the meaning of depreciation. Children, depreciation means working life of fixed assets except land decreases with the passage of time. Fixed assets means furniture or machineries. Okay, all these are our fixed assets. And after some time, after some years, the value of each fixed assets decreases. The value of these assets decreases every year. So reduction in the value of fixed assets due to its wear and tear. Wear and tear means use. Wear and tear or actual size is called a depreciation. Means suppose if you purchase new mobile, if you want to resell that mobile, you will not get the same price. Am I correct? You will get the less price. So the difference between the original price and the present price, it is called depreciation of that mobile. So same it happened with the other fixed assets like furniture, machineries. Okay. So the reduction of that amount after wear and tear, that difference is called depreciation. Now children, depreciation has two methods. First is called fixed installment or straight line or original cost method. All these give same meaning. And second method we have diminishing or reducing balance or written down value method. Now let me explain what these are methods. Now we have first method, that is a straight line method or fixed method. In this method, depreciation is charged every year on original cost of the asset. Now let me explain you how it is. Suppose, can you see this is a straight line? Why? Because company has decided to charge 8,000 year as a depreciation for per year on the fixed assets. Suppose the price of the machinery is a fixed asset, is 1 lakh rupees in the beginning when they have purchased, and then they have decided to charge 8,000 rupees depreciation. So next year, in the beginning of the next year, the price of machinery will be 92,000 because they have deducted the 8,000 rupees from the original price as a depreciation. Now even for the next year, okay, even for the next year they are going to subtract 8,000 rupees from the 92,000 rupees. So the price of the machinery for the next year will be 84,000 rupees. Got it children? In the same way they are going to deduct 8,000 rupees for the next year even and next to next year. So it look like a straight line. That's why this method is called straight line method or fixed method. Now let's see the next second method, diminishing or reducing or written down method. In this method, depreciation is charged on original cost in the first year only, and from the next year it is charged on the written down value of an asset. It is a charge on the opening balance of every year. So now let me explain you what exactly it is. So suppose children, company has decided to charge 8,000 rupees on the original cost of the machinery. Suppose I am taking machinery 1 lakh rupees. So after deducting the 8,000 rupees from 1 lakh rupees, next year the price of the machinery will be 92,000. Am I correct? But for the next year, company is not going to deduct same amount. It will keep some percentage. It will fix some percentage like 2%, 3%. So that amount is going to deduct from the 92,000 opening from the opening balance of the every year. So even next year also it will be changed. Next year means every year it will be changed. The percentage as well as the amount will be changed. So this is called the diminishing or reducing or written down method. Got it? Now depreciation has two effects. One, as we know, depreciation is type of loss only. and all losses and expenses we write gives the debit side effect of profit and loss account. So depreciation amount will be get the first effect in profit and loss account, debit side, and another account is balance sheet, where we are going to deduct the depreciation from the original cost of the assets. Okay, and another effect is that we have to reduce the depreciation amount from the cost of the assets in the balance sheet. So there the depreciation will get two entries: profit and loss account debit side and the balance sheet asset side. So how it is, let me show you. First, let me show you how depreciation they will give in trial balance. Children, in second adjustment, they have given that depreciate building and machineries at 5% and 3% respectively. Now what they say that charge depreciation on building and machinery. Building 5% respectively and machineries 3% respectively. So where are our machinery and building? Here is the machinery in trial balance and building. The cost of machinery is 1,14,800 and the building is 75,000. So how much depreciation we are going to charge? On machinery 3% and on building 5%. So let me show you how to charge. See here, building and machineries amounts. Got it? So on each we are going to charge some amount of depreciation, some percentage of depreciation. On building 5% and on machineries 3%. So let me remove the amount. Let me take out the depreciation amount 75,000. Building's cost is 75,000. So as per the 5%, you will get the amount 3,750 depreciation amount on building. And on machineries, yes, first we write the actual price of machineries in opening balance into 3 upon 100 means 3%, and the amount we will get 3,444. So these are the amount, depreciation amount we got on building and on machinery. Now we are going to give effect of both the amounts. Now children, here we are in trading and profit and loss account. As I told you, depreciation is the loss for the company. So this is the depreciation of building amount 3,750. Machinery's depreciation amount 3,444. The total amount of the depreciation will be 7,194. So let me show you depreciation. To depreciation on building machinery 3,750 and 3,444. Total amount will be 7,194. So this is the first effect of depreciation in the profit and loss account debit side. Now children, this is the balance sheet and asset side, because buildings and machineries are our assets. So building, we will write 75,000 actual price of building in the beginning of the year, and now we are going to minus the depreciation on building. What we have found 3,750. So the actual price of building we will get 71,250 for the next financial year. Same we will do with the machineries. The cost of our machinery was 1,14,800. Now we are going to less depreciation 3%, 3,444. After deduction of depreciation, the price of machinery we will get 1,11,356 for the next financial year. See, depreciation 5% we have subtracted, and now we got the price of building 71,250. Same we have to do with the machineries. Got it children? How to charge depreciation on building, machineries or any fixed assets, and how to give the effects of depreciation in profit and loss account and in balance sheet. Children, I hope you have understood how to charge depreciation on assets and how to give the effects in final account. I hope you have liked this video. Keep watching and please do not forget to subscribe my video. Goodbye. Have a nice day ahead.